In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in Adobe. First, let's start by opening the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. Look for the icon on your desktop or in the Applications folder. Once you find it, double-click on the icon to launch the app. When the app opens, you will see a user-friendly interface that allows you to access all of your Adobe applications and services. This is the central hub for managing your Adobe software. It's important to ensure you have the latest features and security updates, so opening this app is the first crucial step in the update process. Next, navigate to the Apps tab located at the top of the screen. You will notice several options available to you, but the Apps tab is where you can view all your installed Adobe applications. Clicking on this tab will display a list of apps you have currently installed, along with their version numbers. This visual overview helps you quickly identify which apps might need updating. Keeping your applications up to date is essential for optimal performance and access to new features, making this step a key part of the process. In the Installed Apps section, look for the More Actions button, which is represented by 3 dots. Clicking on this button will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. This menu provides convenient access to different tasks you can perform on your installed applications. It is important to locate this option because it leads you directly to the update functionality. Once you find it, click on More Actions to proceed. Now, from the drop-down menu, select Check for Updates. This action prompts the Creative Cloud app to scan for any available updates for your installed applications. You will see a progress indicator on the screen as the app checks for updates. This step is crucial because it ensures that you are informed about the latest updates, which may include important bug fixes, performance improvements, and new features. Once the check is complete, you'll be presented with the results. If updates are available, you will see an Update button next to each app that requires an update. You can choose to click Update next to individual apps, or if you prefer, click on Update All to install all available updates in one go. This choice provides flexibility depending on how many apps you need to update. By keeping your applications updated, you enhance your overall experience and performance, ensuring that you can take advantage of the latest tools and features Adobe has to offer. Tip: if auto updates are enabled, Creative Cloud will automatically keep your Adobe apps up to date. You can manage this setting by going back to the Apps tab, selecting More Actions, and then clicking on Manage Auto Updates. This feature can save you a lot of time as it eliminates the need to manually check for updates. Enabling auto updates ensures that you always have the latest versions without having to think about it. By following these steps, you can easily check for and install updates for your Adobe applications. Keeping your software current is vital for maintaining security and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the update process for your Adobe software. Remember, staying updated means a smoother and more secure experience overall.